document for further consumption and usage. I say all this to go that my country, as I append my signature of acknowledgement and commitment. Oh, good. Commitment.
I want to say, hope never run dry.
Somebody can squat down and sign down. More we can carry anything else you want until we're ready. Okay.
Now we are advised by the upcoming implementation of this very important project.
So there's no garbage.
The program director, we expect you to also to come and give your endorsement.
Ability in protecting the environment as a cardinal role of the
Assembled in front of individual headquarters.
Page Division Headquarters for a launch of a very important research-based results that was done by Pamagara, a CBO, now an NGO, intending to work with us on matters of environment and hygiene, especially on Page. They did a research and they felt it was paramount that they share with us as the key stakeholders their findings, and they did research basically on around 3 issues. How knowledgeable are the people of Kitgum municipalities and the surrounding, their knowledge on Page, and then their attitudes on Page as a river, and then their practices, how they use the river. We know people use Page River for so very many issues, like currently they are misusing it by washing their cars and also motorcycles. Initially in the past, as a child, we used to use Page for swimming, mining sands and fishing, and then also probably drinking water. But these days, a lot of things are happening. As you know, the growth of any town is seen by the amount of garbage. Unfortunately, on the side note, people these days are using Page as a dumping site. If you went to Page, you'll find a lot of garbages dumped by people, especially individuals at night who are failing to manage their garbage or collect their garbages and pay people, and then they go and throw the garbages. So this study is how we can reclaim Page and make it more resourceful, more useful and healthy for people's consumption and as an environment. So the results has pointed out a number of activities that we really, as stakeholders, we felt it's paramount, and we promised by appending our signatures that we shall walk the talk together and make sure as the local government to have a budget on environment that will directly handle matters of Page. We want to thank them and we shall shoulder with them till the very end of the project. I thank everyone, and as a leader, I'm also calling upon everyone to first and foremost desist from throwing garbages in Page. Let's manage garbage properly, and then let's use Page also for a better purpose. Thank you so much.
Yugi mapat ma aki town kavere plastics kikitij mapat ma nanti tine within kulu. Sigi una on kaki wero gino mede kiberu kumeno. Ya nyim birunya ke wan kulu macam Page. Kibedong rom ke liwan choice meno tuo meno pe pada ballo men environment. Kita ngeo ke ni wilo bukulo ko bidang tika ko environment. Donc kada kitien lok mapol mo kana global warming ocean acidity kono ke mapat ma environment. Macam duki me permanent environment according to Dul Makiloni World Health Organization. Kwa ni dana maron million ngwen keli miari o 2 million abero ta mwaka macam duki me environment ki pa pengi mabe. I Africa kikian ki down timaram ali miari o kipira big we about mata be mwaka bien environment pengi mabe. Tuan wa miro fo Pamagara mi kada ki lock down ni mena ne ke yubo leon documenteni Page doki gwaglo mugo la wachel. Macam cancel me Page ki cancel me municipal. Wan wan wa kero chingwa wa yele wa chil wa mo ne mir wa chwak tampa joni wa wala kulu en me ma kilone Page ni bien kulu en tiki bere ma pat ma pol dana ku pianga yo be wa yele mir ke yap wang dana ma cha punyu dano wana be chere radio be chere gorma pat wa punyu dano gien beno be gor dano ki bene budget ma pat ma tika bino wa ye ma chelo cancel ni wa bitawne ki improving wa budget manan lo ma environment wer lweni compare ma ka be mur wan do ci dok ma yot dung lega na ti bor luak ni kan nen lok ni bi ni kin gang wana mi ro jol pien joni pet yuti ma meggi kiti yuti ma mewa adu ke meggi ni bene beno bineni kom wan ma cere luak en pe ma cele kom pamagara beno bi dano ma ko kin wa ka wan po gwa le wan po gwa ka ben murum wan wero environment en town be ko meno ya duge ne pego ne dite bi guru wan luak mete der mo pegi kero me chiling wa kero wa tu ma wan ma pol man wa ro ma cher kero wa balo chiling wa char wa diang tu mo no timo wa ro mo geone ka wa gwa environment o maleng ti pe min wa kar be baro jammi ale ko ne luak jo lokki kero wan wa jolo ni wa ke tila wa chel cho ke ben wa mi ro luon ka cho wa oro ni dano be be lo me yu page ki be yu lu mo ka wan wa je pe ni no ni ini ro gambuti ikwanya pangani ikwanya kaberni tu abien waneni wati ka kala shit no wati technical staff me wa me school bagen ben binyuru mo ko ma mir ke team ga ke ti ke la wa shit le
they signed and affirmed their commitment to working toward restoration of Page. That is our major aim. As Pamaga Research and Development Organization, we focus on doing developmental research that aims at solving emerging issues in the community, and Page River is one of it. We are so much grateful for the financial support by Korean Safety, Health and Environmental Foundation, together with all actors, including Upland TV, who have stood with us and supported the initiatives of this project up to today that we have launched. I am very optimistic that all this commitment will translate into implementation of the recommendation here and forth made. So we pledge commitment to work together with all stakeholders, including the offices at the divisions and the municipal, so that the community are sensitized, educated, and they transform their behaviors toward Page River. At the end of it, everyone will celebrate the beauty of our municipality having a healthy river that is safe even for the users.